Ethan Jackson here today with Ease Loyalty Lawn Care. We are going to do the truck tour, I guess you would say. I got nominated by TJ's Lawn Service or Maintenance, can never remember. A long time ago. This video is way overdue. I've just been so busy dealing with a decent amount of weather like this, rainy and stuff. I mean, it's been pretty crazy. I picked up a lot of clients, a lot of landscape work. It's spring rush, you know. It's exciting and very invigorating. So some of you know probably this is my dad's truck. He lets me take it out for my jobs and stuff because he doesn't use it to go to work anymore. It's just too much of a gas hog and too far of a drive. So I use it a lot now, and thankfully so, because I do plan on buying a truck at the end of the year. So stay tuned for that good stuff. So let's just start in the driver's seat. I'm gonna stay in the truck as much as I can because it's pouring and not pouring, and then it's pouring and then not pouring. So we'll take a look at the DAC up here. We got, oh, by the way, this is a 2004 Chevy Silverado, 1500 four-wheel drive. I don't remember the engine in it. But up here, you know, you gotta have the fresh mints in here to keep your breath fresh when you're gonna go talk to customers. Over there's a camera mount for my GoPro. You can never have too many of those, let me tell you guys. I lose them all the time. Under here, this truck, I'll give it one thing. I'm not a Chevy guy, but this does have a lot of nifty compartments. I will say that. We got some business cards in here, gift cards, and like 5 pens. Then down here, you got your cup holders. And this truck is messy. I've been doing some dirt work. You can tell these floor mats are pretty nice, though. And I've just been staying busy. We got receipts here I got to deal with. Right here, we got some safety glasses. Always great to have them on hand. A bottle cap, you know what I'm saying? In here, I just keep all my receipts and manual and stuff. There's nothing really too interesting in there. Door handle, his Bible, napkins, and a Tootsie Roll or something. This also pops up to be a seat. And here we got another Bible. Another thing you can never have too many of, guys, a Bible. Some more receipts. Landscape plans. Shh. For a landscape coming up here shortly, which is going to be exciting. So stay tuned for that. I'm serious. That's going to be awesome. So now I gotta take another steps outside here. And as you can tell, the color is a nice blue. I like the color a lot, actually. On the driver's side here, we got a bunch of gloves, a mixture of his gloves and my gloves. And here we got even more working gloves, snow gloves, roadside emergency kit, quoting, measuring wheel. That thing's about gone. Got a ratchet strap. And we got one of my mom's cups. Go figure. I use this if I'm doing a lot of paperwork or something in the truck, so it's pretty sweet. So you sit on that, and it's a desk, a portable desk. I really do like it a lot. And here we got a jacket because it's been raining a lot. We got a great book called Uncommon Threads by John. I do not know how to say his last name. All right, off the top of my head. Ratchet strap, like I was saying. Oh, there's my tough dog. Hey, Gift, you want to be in a YouTube video? Yeah. Little pooch. Yeah, what do you think I am? I'm not a big bad guy. Uh-oh, here they all come, guys. Well, this is an unexpected part of the... Oh, no, Lucy, you can't get in the truck. You're all wet. Get out. There's good old Jack. Anyways, gloves. Bolt for... Arrow bolt for... I just dropped the gloves. You have so many gloves. Arrow bolt for shooting out your crossbow when you need to just get rid of it. Tons of hand tools, window breaker, wrenches, screwdrivers. I'm not going to go through that. I'm trying to make this a short and sweet video. Down here, more ratchet straps, more toe straps, because I have been stuck a little bit this year. And just pieces of plastic, honestly, and trash. Like I said, I've been rocking and rolling hard. If I can get out of the back, oh my goodness. I've been doing a lot of work recently. So, not too much time to keep everything looking great cosmetically. So we're gonna walk around the front here. It tows my tractor. It tows my tractor good. It tows my trailer and mower decently and everything. Get about 10 miles to 8 miles to the gallon though. More tools, catch up. Now, in here we got some really warm wool gloves. And here we got all sorts of blades for Zawzals and stuff. And now I got 2 packs of crayons. You can never have too many crayons. You gotta always be able to draw up them landscapes, you know what I'm saying? Oh, we got a tire changing iron. Okay, this is a pretty nifty thing here. See, I got this for Christmas for my dad, but I'm gonna use it probably eventually too. It's a car compressor. It plugs into your 12-volt power outlet, and it's a 250 PSI compressor. Manuals and just more tow straps and stuff, guys. Like, now let's take a look in the back here. And there is a little bit of rust, but I think we're gonna get some plastic wheel covers to go over that. In the back here, you got about a 6.5 foot bed, I would say. And I'm running the Walmart brand tow hitch. It's rated for 6,000 pounds or something. And here we got a dirty bed. Got some shovels, rakes. Like I say, we've been doing a lot of work. I hauled some dirt in here the other day. Trash bins for stuff, sticks. You know, you gotta pick up the sticks off the clients, and then there's some straps and stuff. So it's a work truck. You could say that 4x4 Chevy Silverado. It's definitely a work truck, guys. I've been happy that I've been blessed with it, and the fact that I get to use my dad's truck, you know, and everything. So that's pretty awesome. So now I'm gonna hop back in here because I don't like getting wet. So now for the part where I get to nominate people to see their truck, inside their truck. So I'm nominating Henrick. I want to see inside both your work trucks, man. Don't slack on me here, okay? I want to see what's inside your trucks. Oh, what's his last name? Mathews with Mathews Mowing. Sorry, I cannot remember your last name, man. I want to see your work truck. I don't even know what trucks you use, actually, or truck you use. But I think it'd be pretty cool to see the inside of your truck. And these lawn care. Let's see this inside of your 2500. You got a sweet looking setup, I'll say that, man. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll leave the links to those other guys' channels down below so you can check them out and hopefully see there's videos coming out shortly. Hopefully it don't take forever like I did. I took maybe, hopefully it's not a month. I don't know. I've just been so busy, guys. So cut me some slack here, you know. All right, so with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. God bless, and go get them.